Today, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane that flies like a bat. You're going to start by taking your paper and folding it the short way in half. This is called the hamburger way sometimes. Just make sure it's the short way and fold it right in half. Once you get that half done, open your paper up and you're going to fold it into quarters. You're going to take each side and fold it into the middle. Then you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half again down the line that you folded the first time. And you're going to take it and do it backwards, just like that. Okay? I would go over your creases again. Then you're going to take it and hold it up so this top flap is here. You're going to take and do a diagonal fold for the wings. Just make sure you do it from corner to corner. And you'll do the same thing on the other side and make sure you match up your wing. So flip it over and do the same thing. Okay? And flip it up the other way and take the corner and do a fold down like a triangle. And you'll do the same exact thing on the other side. So just take your plane, flip it over, and do the same fold you just did. Then you're going to take your plane and open it from the side that doesn't have all the flaps. You're going to do the other side and take the tip of the plane and bring it down to the bottom of the paper. Okay, perfect. Then you're going to take your plane and these little corners up here, you're going to fold them down, not to the middle, just the corner. And take it and fold it down to where the top of this line is. You'll do it on both corners. Once you got your corners folded down, you're going to take and fold your triangle up again. And then you're going to flip your plane over and fold the triangle back down. This is where you should really get your creases nice and flat. And then you're going to take the plane and fold it right in half. I put the triangle side up here. So for the wing, you're going to take it and go about halfway and just fold your wing down and just do a straight fold. You do the same exact thing on the other side. We'll take and go halfway and fold it down and match it up with your other wing. Perfect. Then you can open your plane up and you're going to go to this back part right here on both sides and fold up the paper. I find it's easier to do this if I put it down and open it up a little bit and just fold it. But basically you're just pinching up the back end of this plane. And once you do that, the plane is done. hope you all enjoyed another paper airplane making video. Get out and try this one. Bye.